This is the training support video for the dismantling of the anchor line of the Ballantyne Gear Eveook non-penetrating fall protection system for residential style sloped roofs with a ladder. Follow the specifications of the technical manual. This video does not include all instructions. A certain skill level and understanding is required to perform the procedures and techniques within this video. Many of these procedures and techniques can be learned through training, reading of the technical manual, and from other training support videos at www.ballantynegear.com. For safe use, persons shall be knowledgeable and tested to show efficiency at using the gear, installing, dismantling, and using the system on the ground before using it at heights. After using your Eveook system, it will need to be safely dismantled. If there are any support lines or secondary anchor lines, remove them, as specified in the technical manual or other support training videos. We will not go into support lines or secondary anchor lines in this video. Starting on the first side of the primary anchor line, the side where the first Eveook was installed and where there is no giant attached, and continuing to the second side, the side where the second Eveook was installed and where the giant is attached, dismantlers shall prepare the roof/rope protectors for dismantling that are taped to the roof by removing any tape from the roof/rope protectors and wrapping the protectors tightly around the rope. And attaching nano beaner from the protectors to the rope. And shall remove prusiks in preparation to dismantle the Eveook system. Dismantlers shall climb onto the ladder on the second side with waist above the roof edge as shown. Dismantlers shall be attached to the anchor line immediately above the mule overhand knot with personal goblin and long lanyard. If dismantler is attached to the anchor line with the adjustable lifeline, the adjustable lifeline will need to be removed. To remove adjustable lifeline, dismantler shall first attach his or her short lanyard to the mule loop coming from the mule overhand knot for backup fall protection, as shown. Dismantlers shall then detach their long lanyard from the goblin that is on the side of the adjustable lifeline and then park it, possibly on the mule loop or the sternal D-ring. Dismantler shall now detach his or her adjustable lifeline rope from the goblin on the anchor line and attach it to his or her right side gear loop, as shown. Dismantler shall now attach his or her long lanyard to the goblin that is on the anchor line. Shall remove short lanyard from mule loop and will then be ready to lower the second side Eveook. Dismantler shall untie the mule overhand knot and then point the lever of the giant towards the rooftop, as shown. The lever should be perpendicular to the rooftop. Dismantlers shall lower their goblin to the giant. Just below the upper Eveook wheels, dismantlers shall grab the rope between his or her right side thumb and hand, as shown, maintaining a grip on the rope between the thumb and hand, dismantler shall place his or her index finger on the lever of the giant and shall grab the giant with the rest of his or her hand as shown. Dismantler shall press the lever just enough to cause it to release its grip on the rope and shall pull the giant down the roof until the upper wheels of the Eveook are resting on the edge of the roof. Dismantler shall slide his or her personal goblin down to the giant again. Dismantler shall reach down and grab the rope below the roof edge, between his or her right side thumb and hand. Maintaining this grip on the rope between the thumb and hand, dismantler shall again place his or her index finger on the lever of the giant and shall grab the giant with the rest of his or her hand. Dismantler shall again press the lever just enough to cause it to release its grip on the rope and shall pull the giant away from the roof as shown. And when enough rope has gone through the giant, dismantler shall lower the giant below the roof edge. Dismantler shall then slide his or her personal goblin down the rope, pulling the goblin and rope away from the roof edge, and then again lowering the goblin to the giant. Once the giant and goblin are off the roof, the dismantler shall alternatingly lower the giant and then the goblin about 2 feet each time until the Eveook is contacting the ground as shown. Let's look at a different view. Maintaining tension in the rope to the first side Eveook, dismantler shall remove the Eveook from the rope. Remove the adjustable lifeline from his gear loop and organize the ropes so they are not in the way. Dismantler shall now slowly slide the rope through his or her goblin to lower the first side Eveook. The rope to the Eveook should remain tight while lowering. If it is not tight, do not let out more than a couple of feet, as something is keeping the Eveook from lowering on the first side. Friction of the rope to the roof may be keeping the rope from moving and allowing the Eveook to be lowered. Dismantler may want to allow a foot or two of slack in the rope and then whip the rope to break it free. If this does not work, it is possible that the ladder is too close to the Eveook on the first side and the Eveook is caught on the ladder. Someone will need to go to the first side and move the ladder to free the Eveook or find what is wrong. If the dismantler chooses to, he or she may tie the rope to an anchor, maintaining the tension, possibly tying the rope to the ladder with a mule overhand knot, and then go to the first side to remedy the situation. Afterwards, the dismantler shall tensionally reattach to the anchor line on the second side, and then detach the other anchor, possibly the attachment to the ladder. Dismantler shall allow the rope to slowly go through their goblin until the Eveook is lying on the ground. A user shall then pull the rope off the roof from the first side. It is a good idea to stand under the soffit when pulling the rope off the roof to prevent being hit by the rope. You will notice that the roof/rope protectors protect the roof and rope while the rope is being removed. And when prepared properly, the protectors should come off the roof with the rope.